Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be solving a classic problem determining whether a given year is a leap year or not. So this problem is a common task in date related programming and it introduces logical operators like and or. We will understand the rules for leap year and write a Python program step by step. So the rules for the leap year is a year is a leap year if it satisfies the two conditions, like first condition is it is divisible by 4 and the second condition is if it is divisible by 100 it must also be divisible by 400. This means years like 2000 2024 are leap years but 1900 is not. So let's translate these rules into Python code. So first we need to take the year from the user. So year equal to int input enter a year. So we will take the input from the user. We start by asking the user to input a year. The input function takes the input as a string, so we convert it to an integer using int. For example, if the user enters 2024, the value of year will be 2024. So in the second step is to we need to implement the leap year logic. For that, first we use the if conditions. First we check if the year is divisible by 4 using the condition year mod 4 equal to 0. So this is the basic rule for leap years. Next we add an year mod 100 not equal to 0. Just let's do it here. Mod 4 equal to 0 and year mod 100 not equal to 0. This is the first condition, or it must satisfy the second condition, year mod 400 equal to 0. So it must satisfy either of this condition. So this ensures that if the year is divisible by 4 but also divisible by 100 it is not considered a leap year unless it meets the next condition. So it must be divisible by 100. This is the condition. So finally we use year mod 400 equal to 0 to check if the year is divisible by 400. This rule overrides the previous one for year divisible by 100, making them leap years. So using and or, we combine this condition into a single logical statement. So next, if this condition is true, then we can print year which we taken from the user is a leap year. So if the condition evaluates to true, we print that the year is a leap year. If false, otherwise the else block prints that the year is not an leap year. So we will write the else block, else print year comma is not a leap year. So now we can enter input here 2024. Result should be it's an leap year. So yeah, 2024 is a leap year. So use another input 1900. Let's see whether it works. It should print it is not a leap year. So it is not a leap year. Let's give one more input 2000. 2000 is a leap year. Let's see whether it's 2000 is a leap year. So we used the modulo operator to check divisibility and combine conditions using and or. These are fundamental concepts in Python programming logic. So The leap year rule might seem complex, but breaking them into smaller conditions help simplify the logic. So that's it for today's video. We have successfully written a Python program to determine if a year is a leap year or not. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other problems you would like to see. So in the next video we will solve another fun problem, so stay tuned and keep coding.